Hello! In this video, you are going to learn how to create quiz. Quiz can be used in any purposes, for example, to create campaigns, create events, or to drive engagement. First, you need to select the page that you want to set up, and then you click on Manage. And then after that, you go to Other Replies, and then choose Survey and Quiz. And then after that, you click on the green button, and then you choose Quiz. Okay. So you complete the quiz name. Then click Save. So after that, basically is quite similar to create survey. Okay, so here you can edit the description, you can edit the button, the start button, you can enable introduction message. Okay, so the question will be like, for example, how many colors for pastel cup? Okay. So you have multiple choices and text input. So if you choose multiple choice, like 5 colors, 2 colors, the green tick here, you can put in front of the correct answer for this question. We have 5 colors for the pastel cup, so this is the correct answer. Okay, so you can choose shuffle answer choice as well. Once you are done, you click Save. And then another one is between pastel cup and clear glass. What is more expensive? What is more expensive? So this is the text input. So just give the score if the answer is similar to the keyword. So the answer is clear glass. If you or any audience that type in clear glass, you will get a score. Okay, once you are done, you click Save. Okay, so now in the ending session, you can enable ending message. Okay, so it will show that you got score points. And then enable retake survey button is up to you if you want the customers to retake the quiz again, but mine is not. Okay, so we turn it off. So this is the intro message and shareable link as we did in the survey. Okay, so if you want to launch this survey, you click launch here. Okay, so now let's see how it looks with a shareable link. Okay, so I click here, it will redirect to Messenger. Okay, so I go back to the messengers. This is the quiz that we just created. Quiz to receive 20% off, so I click start. How many colors of the pastel cup? Okay, so I answer to between pastel cup and clear glass, what is the more expensive? So I need to type in. Okay, so I will answer clear glass. Enter. Okay, so this is the ending message, say that you got 2 places. So this quiz, I think this features is really useful. I think all of you should try these features. Bye bye.